Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be going into another tutorial because this is Sunday and on every Sunday we make amazing tutorials. So it's a tutorial time. So today I'm gonna be showing you the last minute Halloween product ideas. I'm gonna be going over to the ZAZZLE. It will be mainly focusing on ZAZZLE, but if you are also looking forward for other print-on-demand websites, Redbubble, Teepublic, Threadless, Society 6, whatever it is, it would be helpful for that as well because I'm gonna be showing you last-minute product ideas, niche ideas, especially for the Halloween. So let's dive in. Before we move past, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. Or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. Soon we are going to start with an exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. 100% free. Subscribe to the waitlist. Once we get started with that, we are going to send you an exclusive email each and every week in your email inbox regarding content, making money online, tips and tricks, tools, and so much more that would be there in the email newsletter. It's 100% free, but if you change your mind later on, you could unsubscribe, but the link is in the description box below. You can subscribe now. Let's go over to a laptop and show you the Halloween ideas because a few days back I comment that is it too late to upload Halloween products or Halloween niche ideas on these print-on-demand websites or not. I have made that video. Is it too late or not? I'm going to leave that video in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far. But I'm going to be showing you today the amazing product ideas for the Halloween. If you are still uploading Halloween niches and Halloween product ideas still you're uploading, it would be helpful to you. So let's dive in with my laptop and the process begins. Currently we are on the ZAZZLE. Now you could see this is a ZAZZLE homepage for right now. Now I'm gonna be talking about the Halloween, so let me just scroll down. On the homepage itself you can see the trending on the ZAZZLE. Halloween obviously it's gonna be in trending till October because it's coming, so I'm just gonna click over here and we're gonna look at some product ideas. Now these kind of ideas you could actually incorporate, could utilize it even for your Etsy shop. If you're selling the digital art printables or printables on this Etsy, then this applies to that as well. Now looking forward, you could see different kinds of stuffs, the party invitations, the signs and decors, the party supplies, favors and packaging. Now if you are really selling on the ZAZZLE, then you could actually know what are these products. But if you're selling on a Redbubble, you don't get this kind of stuff over there. You don't get the invitation, signs and decor, party supplies and all those kind of stuff are not much there in the Redbubble. Only a few of them are there, but I'm just going to talk about the ideas. Now we could actually look into the face mask. The COVID is still there, guys. COVID isn't gone and the face mask is still there. I don't know about the 2022, but 2021 people are looking forward to buy the mask, and in some of the countries after even taking the second dose, after even fully vaccinated, the people do need to wear mask. So it's still there. So hopefully the people would be buying the mask as well. So this is an amount product, and I think that whatever marketplace you're selling on, mask is there, so you could utilize it. The second product is obviously the t-shirts, and since it's the winter timings, the people would be looking forward to buy the hoodies and sweatshirts as well, and then the leggings. Now we're just gonna scroll down and we're gonna see a bunch of the ideas over here. Now you could actually go into some niche down. If you're creating a t-shirt, then you could go into the women or men or kids or whatever age group of people you wanna target. You could very well go and forward and do all those kind of stuff over here. Baby clothing is also there, guys. So let me just go over to some ideas and we'll just gonna brush up over there. So I think I'm gonna go first of all with the women's clothing to get an idea what kind of things we wanna target over here. So Halloween clothing according to the age, you could see the women's top, the leggings, hoodies and sweatshirts. Now one of the most common pattern or design you could see for the Halloween is this kind of design, like with a witch on this broom and kind of like a moon. Then the bats are also there. This one is the most common design. Like if you are an artist, if you're creating your work from scratch, then you could very well relate to this kind of work. You could create a one and you could produce and sell your work according to it. It applies to the kids as well, to the men, women, whatever niche you are targeting, it applies to that as well. Another one, you could go with the text-based design. You could have a trick or treat, or kind of like a sarcasm, or maybe some sort of quote related to the Halloween. Look over here. Why? Yes, actually, I can drive a stick. So some kind of code you could actually use. I'm just here for the boost related idea is also very common. You could have a white ghost, yellow ghost, red ghost, orange ghost, black ghost, whatever you want to go with that. Again, with the witch with the broom, so you could actually utilize it. The same thing is over here. You could have a skeleton based design if you're creating a one, or simply a text based design. Now guys, I really want to tell you that on a Zazzle I rarely sold a t-shirt because I'm not targeting much of the t-shirt. I target different kind of product, but of course if you're going with the Redbubble or with other websites, then t-shirt is a big thing. You don't need to leave it behind. So most of them are created by, you could see the designers, the pumpkin with the funny faces and all those kind of stuff. Again over here, the pumpkin would be very quite common. You could have a color theme. Another thing I want to talk about over here is a color theme. Now the Halloween would be related to the color theme, like the yellow, orange, or maybe the different shades of red or black. Such kind of color would be related to the Halloween. So you could have a color theme or color niche as well. Look around this legging design over here. You could see this is a stripe pattern. So this stripe pattern you could have over the t-shirt as well, or completely having on the scarf, or even on the mask or apron, whatever it is. You could have a stripes. You could have a color theme related to the Halloween. So that is the one thing you could target. Another thing you could target is a pumpkin. Make a pumpkin related to designs, because pumpkin is very well related to the Halloween. I don't need to explain much about it. You guys very well know about it. Stripe patterns, the pumpkin textures are there, patterns is there. The funny, you could also have the rib cage or the skeleton, kind of like a bones and all those. Another thing I'm going to talk about is a spider web. Yes, Halloween is also related to the spider web. You could have a black one, yellow one, orange one, whatever one. You could have these spiders and the spider based design as a texture, as a patterns, or simply on a t-shirts. Look for another products, because we are also targeting the another products, so it would be beneficial for them as well. Now you could look for the kids and the babies t-shirts and go much more into that. Let me just scroll up. I'm gonna go with the face mask, because face mask is still there, still not gone. So now there are the bunch of the option: face shield, hand sanitizers. These are the products, may not be there on the Redbubble, but we can look for the probably for the mask. Now this is one is the ghost. I already talked about the ghost designs are much more popular. So you could have a texture or a pattern around the different colored ghost. The same is this kind of like a owl and the cat is sitting on a tree. This one is quite common. Again, there is a more kind of like a patterns you could see guys over here. The pumpkin designs and patterns. The same is the scary face. Again, there is a skeleton, spider webs are there, the pumpkins are there. All those kind of scary designs you could have on the mask related to this particular product. This is simple autumn based design, because you could see the autumn colors, the orange, yellow, maybe a red and black, and all different kinds of shades you could see over here. This one is a cloth face mask, the candy corn. This one is a unique idea you could incorporate. The same as these cases, if you can make a one, go forward. Now this one I think is related to the leaves. You could also have a floral based niches, floral based design related to the autumn, because we are going into the fall season. So it's not just about the Halloween, it's also for the autumn seasons. You could have an orange colored leaves, yellow colored leaves, because autumn is related to orange, yellow, lead, or coloring of the leaves, not the green ones. So you're spatially catering to the Zazzle. You are looking for selling on Zazzle. I want to talk about is the party invitations, because Zazzle would be are famous especially for the paper products. People do buy a lot many paper products on a Zazzle, and I think that for the Halloween you could have a party invitation or Halloween cards related to the paper products on the Zazzle. In fact, even for the cards, you could have greeting cards on the Redbubble as well. So you could make a Halloween related greeting cards on the Redbubble as well, and you could get the idea from here. So you could see the bunch of the different cards and invitation ideas. Let me just scroll down. tote bag is also there, guys. The same designs that you're putting on the t-shirt, you could put on the tote bag as well, trick or treat. And people would be purchasing this tote bag as a gifts to their loved ones or for some purchase stuffs and all. Another one is a sticker. You don't want to leave the sticker behind. So you could make a sticker based design. This is the spooky pumpkins. This is the most common design. I would think that most common kind of design related to the Halloween. You could get the cool graphics from the Creative Fabrica or Creative Market, or we also have our own websites at the Globo Arte. You could get it from there. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below. You can check it out. Another one is this one, guys. You could have a skeleton, kind of like a funny, scary designs. The same is popular for that. The stripe one, I already talked about that. You could have a stripe pattern as well. Over here, Halloween cards. So you could target the greeting cards. Don't leave the greeting cards behind because people do buy. The postcards is also there. Halloween cards is there, and all those which you can target. Now these one are the invitations. This one is the card, guys. You could see just as graphic is there, that's all, nothing code is there. You could have a code text based as well. Now all these are, this one is the text based. I dare you to open this card, and then some related to the pumpkins are there, and some different graphics are there. Now this is the way to actually do a research on a ZAZZLE. You could go in depth with this particular thing, go into the niche. You could pick up anything over here. Now these are the keywords that people are typing on the ZAZZLE. You could also use these keywords in your product tags as well, in your title as well, or in your description as well. Or either you could just click over a single one and actually go into depth and looking forward what kind of they look like. This one is another one, guys. Cat is another idea for especially for the Halloween, because it's a scary one. You could have a black cat eyes, or even a black cat as well, a witch as well with a cat. So same thing over here is the pumpkin with the hat, with the broom, kind of like resembling the Halloween. So there is a lot more that you could have an idea related to the ZAZZLE or any product ideas on anyone. If I just go over to something over here, maybe I'm gonna go with the orange one. Let's see what are the orange related cards are there. Now here we are. You could see in this keyword, now this one is a little bit so cute, pumpkin with the happy Halloween above. As simple as that. This is so simple, guys. You just have a small graphic, stripes and happy Halloween. Cute. As simple as that. Just scroll down. This one is another jack-o'-lantern Halloween card related to the pumpkin. Let's get spooky. Now this one is the invitation. This is not a card. You could also prepare a card. Have these pumpkins written over here, happy Halloween, or some kind of a message, trick or treat, or something like that. You could get it on the Google itself. Another one with the Halloween Boo Ghost. This one is also quite popular. Spider, we can't leave the spider behind. So you could have a spider based card as well, or a spider web as well. This is another common. Over here is the invitation. This one is the invitation. You could have this one on the sticker as well. Simple one, Halloween greetings with the skeleton and the orange, because I have chooses orange, so that's why you're seeing a lot more orange stuff is there. The same thing, we could go back and look for other products. We look for the t-shirts. So if I just go with the signs and decor, obviously signs are not there on the Redbubble, but you could go with the decor. So you could go with the art prints as well. These are the pillow cover ideas, because pillows are also there. The duvet covers, the throw pillows are also there on the Redbubble. So you could see the different kinds of related home decor ideas, the pumpkin, the different colors pumpkin. These could be the signs. Now you could also create art prints related to it, something like that, related to the witch and all. You could have something kind of like a doormat. The art print is also there. The posters is there. There is so much more, guys. This is a simple text-based design with just a small graphics, pumpkin, spice, and everything nice. That's what autumn. So you could have a simple text-based design as well with a small cute graphics, something around those corner, guys. Now this one is on the doormat, but you could very well have this text on the pillow as well, or even on the card as well, or on the t-shirt as well. Like you could just have one design on various different product. Another one is quite common with the skeleton on the pillows. The same here with the different kinds of cartoons sitting on the pumpkin. Here again the text-based this video, what kind of Halloween designs you could target. If you're right now uploading on a ZAZZLE or even on a Redbubble, Teepublic, Society6, or even selling on the Etsy, what kind of product you could actually target right now at the end, because we are almost about to end with the September and starting with the October. So this is the last time that you could prep for your Halloween. So make sure you do this. If you don't want to go into more into the graphics and all those kind of stuff, you could simply go with the simple text-based design. I also shown you some text-based design. Go on a Google, type for the Halloween codes, and there would be the bunch of the Halloween codes that would be popping up, and you could actually use them. And do check them that these codes are in the public domain. Like these are not related to any company's copyright or trademark or patent or something like that. Do check it out and use these codes in your design and do all those kind of stuff. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Are you still uploading Halloween designs? What are you working on? Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. But thank you so much for joining in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.